Hey, what's up everybody? V here. So today we're going to be checking out the Nano Juice wireless. Picked this up at Sam's Club. I'll put a link in the description below. It's a 3-device charging pad. Wasn't real big on charging pads until recently. I got my Galaxy Watch and my other, it's just a lot to have all the plugs in the wall, and I figure I just have this one and just go off of that. So it's by Tech 2 company. And again, it's a Nano Juice wireless, 3-device wireless charging pad, QI enabled, fabric finish and metal base, 2 times 10 watts, 1 time 3 watts, charge 3 devices simultaneously. So that's what caught my eye. So let's go ahead and check it out. Break that open. Right. So I'll actually go ahead and this is something you can just review like right away. So we're just gonna check it out, basically see if it works. Let me pop this. Sorry about that. Come on, get out of there. See what we get in the box. Instructions. Let's put this to the side for now. Let's look inside here. Suspecting just a charge cable. Let's see. This is actually glued to the bottom. That's interesting. Alright. Yeah, there we go. So we got USB Type-C charge cable. It's all in one. So you can't like plug the USB into the end, USB-A to the end of that. So there's a USB-C, which is nice. Always for that, for the faster charging. Get that apart. Give me a second. I'm going to get this set up, and I'm going to bring in 3 devices and test out the charge. All right, so I'm back. I got everything plugged in and all set up. The only thing here is that I noticed that stood out was there's no indication that it's on at all. Just plug it in and that's it, I guess. So I assume that it's on. I'm going to set the 3 devices on here right now. And what I was reading on, also I was reading up, my Galaxy Watch 4 that I intend to put on trying out is not QI compatible. It's a different type. And it's saying it won't work, but I'm going to test it on all different ports because I think it's different wattage per each section that it's on. Galaxy Fold 3 first. There we go, we got charge on that. I'm going to bring in the LG Velvet 5G. We got charge on that. And now I'm going to bring this in and see if it works. It says it should come up within seconds of it being on there. So it's not coming up. I have the 2 here that are charging. I got to charge on both. So that's the Fold 3 and the LG Velvet. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this off. I'm going to put the watch over here and see if it goes off of the... Not coming on yet. Oh, there it is. So it's charging on this one, on this side, but it's not on here. And I'm guessing that yeah, it's definitely charging. Let's try it on the other side over here. Nope, we got, oh, hold on. Got a little caution sign over here. Let's see. So it's not charging there. Let's try here again. Okay, so this is the only side that the watch charges on. I got the caution sign here, 0 charge there. And that's with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. And with this other one, here, let me try the Fold 3 over here. Charges right away. And this one, the LG Velvet, charges almost instantly. So there we have it. Looks like the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 does not work with it. It works on one side, only on one part of it. And I doubt the phones will charge on the watch section because I think it might be a lower. Hold on. See, I'm getting no charge at all off. Hold on, give me a second. Let's see. Yeah, there's no charge there. No charge at all there. I mean, it's quite possible that the unit is faulty and that's just isn't charging because I'm not getting any kind of a charge off of anything there. But I'm guessing it's a lower wattage, the lower of the, let's see, two that I had. So this is probably 1 times 3 watt charger right there. So looks like these two sides work. This may be a lower wattage, that's why I can't charge this. But it also, this isn't QI enabled, because I was reading up on this also. It's not QI enabled, so it doesn't work on here, but it works on this side only. So there you have it. I may return this unit just to see, you know, if I got a faulty unit. For now, this is V. I'm out.